Hello everyone. This is Sangeetha, Assistant Professor, EC Department from SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about what can artificial intelligence do for cars or the automotive industry. So this is the topic. So here I am putting a Tesla. That is the Tesla is the one of the company which is implementing artificial intelligence in their cars, and another one company is Google also implementing artificial intelligence in their cars. So let us move on to the topic. Uh, so today we are going to see about what is artificial intelligence. So what are the advantages of implementing artificial intelligence in cars, and what are the some other examples for artificial intelligence, and last we are going to see about self-driving cars. So this is the order. We are Let us move on to the topic. So first let us discuss about what is artificial intelligence. So the artificial intelligence is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. So without any help from human, so the artificial intelligence in robots can act independently. So the artificial intelligence, that is AI systems, are used to alter, process and function data, and algorithms to imitate the intellectual functions of the human mind, and gain the capacity to observe and resolve problems automatically. So this is the basic idea of artificial intelligence. Some of the activities in computers with artificial intelligence are designed as speech recognition, learning, planning and problem solving are the some of the examples of artificial intelligence. Next, let us move on to why we need artificial intelligence in cars. So first one is uh, we can improve the safety. We can save our life by avoiding accidents. So one of the top reasons many of us should be looking forward to autonomous vehicle is a major decrease in car crashes. So accidents are caused by many different scenarios, with one of them being due to distracted driving. So it is the one of the reason that has improved safety. Next one is, yes, in this self-driving car, the lady is reading the reading her favorite book. Yes, that is we can get more time to do what we want. So imagine having luxury of reading our favorite book, or watching our favorite morning show, or putting up your feet and taking a nap during our long morning commute. So there are many different companies designing autonomous car models that have built-in flat screen televisions. So we can see even films. Some are literally designed to allow us to put our feet up and take a load off. So it is really hard to imagine. We are so used to being in control and paying attention to the roads. But these features would be great for long commutes or out of town road trips. So next one is, that is cost effective. Yes, the price tag on cars with autonomous abilities is quite high at present, but as more companies come to the table, the prices will significantly go down. So this is great news. And but what is even better news is the fact that everyday cost will significantly decrease. For example, the cost of taking taxi, an Uber or public transportation will be lower. Additionally, if there are fewer accidents in urban areas, so car insurance premiums will also drop. So the cost benefits alone are definitely a major win for consumers. So next reason, as can you find? So predictive driving, that is one of the main important feature of AI. So the autonomous vehicles are equipped with ability to communicate with the other cars and gather information while on the road. So they will also have the ability to predict or sense accidents, which means fewer accidents and casualties when driving. So this technology being heavily tested, but currently many vehicles already have an ABS systems, that is an automatic braking in their cars, and so there is some element of this already being incorporated for use today. So the last one is yes. It is very useful for the disabled person. So it is a great for disabled persons. We have already seen how many modern designs have changed the world of so many disabled people, but a car with self-driving features will change it even further. So mainly the design will allow more disabled people to be more independent, so they safely drive themselves to whatever they need to go, so wherever they need to go. So for us in the automotive industry, so the artificial is having a big impact on many industrial sectors, including aviation, manufacturing, technology, and a host of others. So that's because of the features of AI like machine learning and deep learning can make companies more efficient. But one industry which is already seeing dramatic changes from AI is the automotive industry. So we can look forward to better, faster, and safer driving. So actually look forward to the time when there would be a second-hand trucks and trailers for sale equipped with AI, because I think it will become easier to monitor the fleet and will also keep the drivers safe. So the next one is vehicles with self-driving features can be enhanced by some technologies like deep learning, machine learning, computer vision, and context awareness to provide security and safety. So AI in automotive now, even before we talk about autonomous cars, let us talk about something more realistic in the medium term. So the automotive industry could be the one to really bring IoT, that is Internet of Things, to the mass consumer segment. So to have a full AI deployment, we need cars to be fully IoT enabled. So it should collect all kind of data under all kind of conditions. So all the data that is possibly imaginable. If the car so much as shakes, we want the data to capture that. The next one is, now think about actuation mechanisms. So we have the ABS, that is ABS in most cars. We already see that is automatic braking system. So we have ABS systems in most of the cars. Do we know when and why it will be deployed? So the airbags and seat belts must get deployed as expected, or the customers will sue the manufacturer in the American courts of justice for hundreds of millions of dollars. So the next one is, under this backdrop, can you understand the risk of putting self-driving cars on the road, or right? So for scientists, it is a great mojo to put a even self-driving aeroplane, ship, and anything with a motor into production. But it is ultimately for the government regulators to take a call and impose stringent safety guarantees that can make the cost prohibitive. So next. Next, we will see on about self-driving cars. So the self-driving cars is the new field of research in the automation industry. So in these machine learning algorithms are used to teach the cars what to do next when they face a problem. It goes like this: instead of telling the car when you see a red light it should stop, the car is allowed to learn how a person drives, that is considering that all the required sensors are connected to it and are recording the data. So what is with this data, it will learn to drive after a long series of driving experience learned from its human counterpart. So next time it sees a red light, it will already know what to do, that is, it will stop the car. So the conclusion about the AI implemented smart cars, the fuel consumption depends on the road conditions, slope, and acceleration, or else the cars can be battery powered, that is battery driven motors that can give the vehicle a smooth drive. So, the automatic braking system, accident avoidance systems, pedestrian alerts, GPS monitoring, and intelligent cruise controls are several other features powered by AI systems. So, with the help of deep learning AI technology, cloud based intelligence is another area that will help the insurance companies to keep track of driver alertness, unsafe driving habits. The next one is the intelligent AI systems in smart cars will periodically report problems to the service personnel and fix them accordingly. So, the self driving in artificial intelligence in the automobile sector transforms the industry in manufacturing. So, the quality control testing can also be calibrated with AI algorithms. So, thus reduces the manufacturing defects and increases efficiency. So, the automotive supply chain implemented with AI can be clearly evident through the relationship with the car manufacturer. So, thank you.